how to add reduce white point to control center on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to add reduce white point on a control center? Then you're in the right place. So, first things first, you'll need to unlock your iPhone and then you'll need to swipe down the notification bar from the right and access the control center and long press on any blank space. And then you'll see add a control pop up on the bottom. So go ahead and tap on it and then scroll down. You need to scroll down to the bottom, and there under motor under vision accessibility, you'll find reduce white point. Just tap on it and then there you go, reduce white point has been added to your control center. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.